resetting my living room and kitchen. Here we go. It's Sharon from Sherry's Fairies, and today I'm going to tidy up my house, and I'll show you my new lamps. And I had to do a little DIY on them. I ordered them in the wrong color. They came in brown and I wanted black, so I spray painted them black. So now I'm happy. Anyhow, I'm going to tidy up my living room and gotta give it a vacuum. So I think I'll give it a mop vacuum this time. Okay, let's get busy. That's one of my new lamps behind the couch. It's on a black stand and it has a white shade. And I really like it. And now you can see the other lamp. It's exactly the same. Oh, it's just behind my head there. And it's right behind the gray chair. There it's peeking out. So hopefully when I move, you'll get a good look at it. There we go. There's my new lamp. There's a good view. Anyhow, I do like my new lamps. Well, at this time, I would just like to pop in here and invite you to subscribe to my channel if you like this content. And it would be very helpful to my channel if you gave me a big thumbs up and left me a comment. I sure would appreciate it. And it's free to subscribe, so please subscribe. So I decided I would just do this part of my video in real-time speed. I didn't speed it up, so I look like the Tasmanian devil on the clean. Anyhow, let me know if you like it in the real-time speed or if you like it speeded up. The next part of the video is going to be speeded up, and it's the kitchen. And it's not my favorite place to clean, but it always needs to be done. So I hope you're enjoying my video. And thank you for watching. Here we go. Okay, we're going to get ready and we're going to wash and vacuum the kitchen floors. And I have a Tineco, Tineco. It's a cordless vacuum and a floor washer, and it does it all at once. So I am putting in the soap to the little gadget that you put onto it. And this is going to vacuum and wash my kitchen floor all at the same time. And I do enjoy having this. I don't use it all the time, every time I wash my floor, but I do use it once in a while. And so I am going to hook it up and get busy and wash the kitchen floor. Well, this is my surprise Sunday video cleaning my house. What a surprise, eh? And also the lamps in my living room, I did a DIY on, and they came brown and I painted them black because the black just suited my house better. Well, I'd like to thank you for watching, and if you're interested, please subscribe, and we'll see you in my next video, Tiny Tidy Tuesday. Bye!